Assalamualaikum mga kawasak-wasak ko dyan. So, ayan, alhamdulillah. I'm grateful to have a good employer. So, ito ang aking dress sa Eid. Sana all. Ayan. So, ito yung binili ng amo kong susuotin ko sa Eid. So, 2 times kaming mag-celebrate ng Eid. Ayan, so, mapasang padjaramaya ba guys, ibagkas niya kung talaga kalinya na makadpadyama tawon. So, ayan, ito yung isa. So, alin ang maganda dyan guys? First Eid, second celebration, ayan. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ito ang, parang feeling ko itong maganda ipadjalara guys. So, ayan. Yung isa, ito may belt to siya. Ito yung kanyang belt. So, ayan. Arang pamborloloy ko, guys. Badyaw ako man. So, ayan ang aking pang-eid. Ayan. Thank you so much, madam. I love you. So, I'm blessed to have a good employer. Thank you so much to treat me like a family, to my big boss and my lady employer. Thank you so much. Love, love, love. Eid Mubarak, Damabaya.